How do you fix a cracked handle on a hammer? Here you can see the handle's pretty cracked, and it's kind of dangerous if you grab this thing. You could put a new handle on it. There's a few options that you can try without that. I'll clean it with rubbing alcohol, pull off quite a bit of dirt. Clean everything up with some sandpaper. Water down some PVA wood glue. Find that any type of wood glue will work. The thin glue, I'll just work it in. Let it flow as deep into the crack as I can. We'll just keep working it into the crack here. We'll put some of the thicker glue in as well. Clean up some of that glue that's on the surface. I'll use several clamps to clamp it so it all squeezes in. Here we can see most of the gaps are starting to close in. I'll go with as many angles as I can. Let this dry for about 24 hours. Remove all the clamps. We'll continue to clean it up. There's no sharp burrs on it. Smooth everything up with some sandpaper. You can always rehandle it, but I find doing this will bring a lot of life back into the hammer.